Hello traders, welcome back to our step-by-step guide on how to make local payments with FundedNext. This quick and easy tutorial will ensure that your transactions are as smooth as your best trades. So let's get started. Begin by heading over to FundedNext.com. If you're new here, you'll need to sign up with your details. Since I'm already registered, I'll go ahead and log in into my FundedNext dashboard. Once logged in, click on the Start Challenge section. Here you will find various account models. Select your preferred account model, and on the next page you can choose from a selection of challenge models tailored to your trading style and goals. For this demonstration, I'm selecting the Stellar 2-step swap-free MT5 platform with a 95% payout add-on account. After choosing your challenge account, scroll down and click Continue. This will bring you to the checkout page where you will find multiple payment methods offered by FundedNext. Step 3. Now look for the local payment option among the payment methods and select it. This choice makes your payment process straightforward and keeps things local and accessible. Once your payment is complete, you will receive an email confirming your transaction. It typically takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the payment gateway to process your account. Following that, you will get another email with your account login credentials. Quick tip, like any other payment methods, local payments may experience some delays during peak hours, similar to trading during high market volatility. If your account isn't active within an hour, the FundedNext support team is there to assist you. And there you have it, a quick and secure way to make local payments on FundedNext. Thanks for watching, get ready to take your trading to the next level with FundedNext, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.